Buttons. Press the M button once to switch between 4 gimbal follow modes. The gimbal sounds a beep with every switch, and the status panel hops to the corresponding mode. The following mode icon is one horizontal oval overlapping with a vertical oval, indicating that the camera view follows the gimbal's pan and tilt movements. The tilt lock mode icon is one horizontal oval, indicating that the camera view only follows the gimbal's pan movements. The FPV mode icon is 3 overlapping ovals, indicating that all 3 axes follow the movements of the grip. The spin shot mode icon is a ring with arrows, indicating that you can spin the camera view with the joystick. Press the M 3 times to enter standby mode. Press any button to exit. Push the joystick gently to control gimbal direction. Press the shutter record button once to start or stop recording. In photo mode, press and hold to shoot strings. Press the switch button once to switch between the front and back cameras. Press the switch button twice to switch between the landscape and portrait modes. When connecting to DJI Mimo, press the switch button 3 times to switch between photo and video. Push the zoom slider once to quickly switch the zoom once. Push the zoom slider continuously to change the zoom continuously. Press the trigger once to enable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter the gimbal. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode. Press the mode switch button once and then press and hold to set the gimbal follow speed.